Ah. Word family replacing the initial sound. Ah. We are going to place a C in front of that. Ka. We will be replacing the C with an H. Ha. We will be replacing the H with a J. Jaw. We will be replacing the J with an L. Law. We will be replacing the L with an M. Ma. We will be replacing the M with a P. Paw. We will be replacing the P with a T. Taw. We will be replacing the T with a Y. Yaw. We will be replacing the Y with a CL. Claw. We will be replacing the CL with a CR. Craw. We will be replacing the CR with a DR. Draw. We will be replacing the DR with an FL. Flaw. We will be replacing the FL with a GN. Gnaw. We will be replacing the GN with an SL. Slaw. We will be replacing the SL with a TH. Daw. We will be replacing the TH with an STR. Straw.